Welcome back, Dynamic Gang. We're going to do Black Canary. We're going to do all DC on this one. So I want to do Black Canary, maybe Poison Ivy. And I'm still up in the air about the third one. So I've never drawn Black Canary. This is the first time I'm drawing Black Canary. Not saying that I won't draw her again. It was pretty fun. The reason why I can't draw the whole boot at once is because my eyes get strained. Because it's like when you're scaling down and you're trying to fit detail into like a small area, you're like straining your eyes, you know? At least that's how it is for me. And that's why when you see me doing the boots, I do one character at a time because I gotta take a break. As I end up getting a headache, my eyes, like, you know, there's a lot of detail involved, you know? So, again, it's not impossible. It's just, that's just how it is. But let me know what you think about it. I enjoy doing it. It's just, to me, I think it'd be better doing like Adventure Time or like, what was that one with Morty? Something Morty and maybe a Simpsons, or, you know, it's just easier doing other characters that are easier to do that aren't detailed. But I love detail, don't get me wrong. It's just when you're putting it on boots, you know what I'm saying? It kind of gets you know, in a small area. So that's just my thoughts on it. Let me know what you think about it. And you know, I was either going to do Power Girl or Supergirl for the front. So let me know what you think. All right. Thank you. I also wanted to mention that I had to actually do that. I was like flying blind, like without doing the, like I did a little bit of the pencil, but for the most part, I was doing it freehand. And I was thinking to myself, like, if I messed up at all, I would have to scrap the whole project. So it's kind of like, you know, I'm at the mercy of, you know, the drawing gods. You know, like you're praying that everything's going to come out good, you know, because, you know, like when you're doing the proportions and you know, especially the way that with the raised lips of the boot, you're doing like, you don't know how it's going to sit right. You don't know where it's going to go. And it's not like you could just sketch it out and then erase it later. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like you're flying blind. At least that's how I feel. But anyway, thank you for watching. And Dynamic Gang, you're the real deal. Thank you. So that's the boot. Um, it doesn't. It looks like this is in a weird angle, but it's actually not. That's because of the right here, the ridges. So it makes it look like it's. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. That's the problem doing it on the boots. You have to sort of like fill in the blanks.